Introduction: Discovering the Power of Zero Investment Income host. Hey there, fellow hustlers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been requested by many of you: how to make money with absolutely no investment. Yes, you heard it right. In this video, we're going to unveil some clever strategies that require zero upfront money but can still put some extra cash in your pocket. So, if you're ready to explore the world of zero investment income, smash that like button, subscribe, and let's jump right in. Method 1. Freelancing your talents for quick gains. Our first technique is using your abilities to obtain freelancing jobs. Whether you're a wordsmith, a design guru, or a coding wizard, online platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr offer a chance to connect with clients seeking your expertise. Create an appealing profile that highlights your skills, showcase your portfolio, and start bidding on projects. With dedication and a touch of talent, you can start earning money without spending a dime. Visual: host at desk with laptop. Method 2. Content creation and monetization. The second method is all about producing content. Got a camera or a smartphone? Great! Start a YouTube channel, a blog, or a podcast. Share valuable information, entertain, or inspire your audience. You can make money off of your material as it becomes more popular by using affiliate marketing, advertising, and sponsorships. Remember, it's not about fancy equipment, it's about your passion and your message that can resonate with others. Visual: host recording a video. Method 3. Embracing the gig economy. Host: ever heard of the gig economy? Apps like Uber, Lyft, and TaskRabbit allow you to earn money on your terms. You can drive people, deliver groceries, or complete tasks for busy individuals. These platforms provide flexibility, allowing you to work when it suits you. So, whether you're looking to earn during your free time or make it a side hustle, the gig economy can be your gateway to quick earnings. Visual: host at home, showcasing various gig economy apps. Method 4. Selling unwanted items online. Host: time to declutter and make some cash. Method number 4 involves selling unwanted items online. Platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and Poshmark enable you to turn your unused belongings into money. It's a win-win: you clear up space and earn a few bucks while doing it. Remember, one person's trash is another person's treasure. Visual: host showing a box of items. Method 5. Participating in online surveys and market research. Host: did you know you can get paid for your opinion? Method number 5 is participating in online surveys and market research. Companies value your insights, and they're willing to pay for them. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research offer opportunities to earn a bit of extra cash by answering questions and sharing your thoughts. Visual: host with laptop and survey site on screen. Method 6. Tutoring and online teaching. Host, are you a subject matter expert? Method number 6 is all about tutoring or teaching online. Whether it's academic subjects, languages, or even playing a musical instrument, platforms like Chegg, VIPKid, and Teachable allow you to share your knowledge and earn money. It's a rewarding way to make an impact while boosting your bank account. Visual, host with whiteboard and teaching materials. Method 7, affiliate marketing without investment. Method number 7 is a clever take on affiliate marketing. Instead of investing money, you invest time and effort. Join affiliate programs for goods or services you firmly believe in. Create compelling content that educates or entertains, and seamlessly incorporate your affiliate links. When your audience makes a purchase, you earn a commission, all without spending a dime up front.